Hi, I'm Nathan from Vanderlands. Today we're going to be talking about foliar fertilizers, how to use them, why to use them, and what you can expect from these products. Now, Largo and Renaissance is used by the turf professionals all around the world to deliver high quality nutrition at a slower pace to the pro turf. It's like spoon feeding your grass nutrition straight into the arm of the plant. In this video, we're going to work out how to correctly measure out your lawn size, how to do a water test, how to work out the ratios for your products, and what you can expect from these products. All right, step one, we're gonna measure out the lawn. Now we're gonna do this once, we're gonna do it properly. I want everyone to use a tape measure. This lawn is 9 meters wide by 10 meters long, which makes 90 square meters. Alrighty, step two, we're gonna do a water test to work out how much water you use over your lawn area. First and foremost, you need to have a good reliable sprayer with a flat fan nozzle. That's due to the amount of water that this sprayer puts out, and we're aiming for somewhere between 2 and 5 litres. You're going to walk nice and evenly up your longest route and walk your way out of your property. All right, so for my water test, I ended up using 2 litres over 90 square metres, which puts me for 100 square metres at 2.2 litres. Now the range that you want to spray these foliar fertilisers at is between 2 and 5 litres per 100 square metres. If you're not in that range, you need to walk faster or slower to achieve it. The product will not work unless you're in that range. All right, step three, we're on to product rates. Now, Largo and Renaissance are 100 mil per 100 square meters used as a monthly maintenance rate. Here with these chamber bottles, make it very easy to squeeze up the amount required for your lawn. 100 mil per 100 square meters works out as 1 mil per 1 square meter. This is 90 square meters equals 90 mil of product. Simply squeeze it up. In they go with that water that you just used in step two, and you're ready to make your application. All right, now before you spray, real quickly, you must have every leaf off your lawn. The leaf must be dry, and you should be prepared to have no kids, yourself, or animals on your lawn for a couple of hours to allow it to dry and get soaked into the leaf after application. Alrighty, step four, sprayer application. Now all you need to do is spray exactly how you did your water tests, starting in the same spot and finishing in the same spot. If you're lacking a little bit of confidence, what I suggest is you stop halfway and check that you've got half of the chemical left over, and you can make an adjustment to walk faster or slower so that when you finish in the corner, you're out of product and the right amount's on the lawn. So now that you've applied these products, what you can expect to see is a significant color change without the surge in growth that the Pro Turf gives. I want you guys to be applying this once a month throughout the whole season. The only time I don't want you to apply it is when you scalp your lawn back in October and hit it with the Pro Turf.